to the best of the best students, and at the same time recognizing it in front of the public. I am very sad to say that during our time we don't get an opportunity. So I feel like going back to the student life and studying and receive the award. Because these days you will find from the government side also, there are lots of recognition being given, and from the constituency wise, district wise, all the recognitions are being given. That's why sometimes I envy you all, the present students. But at the same time, you should envy me also, because I don't have to fight the competition level which you all are fighting now. Because during our time, the competition level was not that in the high level. But these days, you have to fight till you sweat to get something. So my advice to the other students, you should not be proud of them for receiving the award today. Instead, you should imbibe the competition spirit by taking an oath today that this year, okay, let them receive. Next year, I will receive. Without this competition, my dear students, the days are coming that we call it in Hindi that chalta hai attitude will never lead you to anywhere. I think, have any of the students has gone through what is written here? See, embrace the award as a reminder of your potential. You all are bright students. You put little bit of effort, you become brighter students. You slop than the others, you will become the best students. So don't just satisfy yourself in that good or in that best students, better students. Try to be the best. And once again, sir, this in fact is a good opportunity for the students to step on, to shine, to fight in this present situation. I am from the background of a universally applicable education level. You know what is universally applicable curriculum? Anybody? Universally applicable curriculum. I am from the arts background. But these days, it's very difficult for you to survive if you don't have a skill education. So please concentrate on the skill education also, and at the same time, fight for the best. Thank you.